Remington Park.
Hello?
Hi, this is
Hello?
Sean. Yes, Sean Gilderman's here. I had a question about Remington.
You have a question about what?
Remington, who am I speaking with?
This is yachts.
Yes, I had two questions about your Remington that's on there.
About my Remington?
Yes. Do you mind if
Remington what?
Remington Park.
Hello?
Hi, we seem to have gotten disconnected. At Remington Park. Do you mind if I ask a
I
couple
don't,
of questions? Just one
I'm
more
listening.
question. Yes, I have a question regarding the color.
Regarding the what?
The color of the
This,
items.
you're calling someone who's a yacht broker. Do you understand that?
Yes, and it's for sale.
Well, what boat are you talking about?
The Remington.
We don't have a Remington for sale. You apparently have the wrong number, okay?
No, this is
We
Sean
have no.
Gilderman's.
This is no. You're talking about a different brokerage. You're talking about.
Yes, he gave me
Okay.
your number, and he said you had the Remington for sale. And I'm Sean
We have
Gilderman's.
no Remington for sale. Okay. I'm sorry.
He told
You
me that
need
I
to
could
back.
let my heart race with
We
it.
don't have a Remington for sale.
At Remington Park.
Remington Park, where?
Watch,
We're
wager,
in.
win.
We're in California.
Yes,
Okay.
at Remington Park.
I don't know where Remington Park is. I don't know what that means.
Well, it's
Our
a
boats, our boats are for sale in Marina in
absolute
California.
watch, wager, and win, asshole. Let your heart race, you piece of shit.
The end.